Hi everyone, welcome to Hoopsters League of Action Heroes, the Super Hooper program. So the idea behind this Super Hooper contest is to look for kids who are doing something interesting, something unique, which is helping the environment, helping people around them, or even their own parents, their own houses. Okay, the idea is that the differences that you make start at home, and from there you can start a big story. And the best part is we have some amazing kids who submitted entries. And one of them has joined us today. Her name is Anushri. She's just 15 years old. But what she's doing is incredible. She plants saplings all around her neighborhood and takes good care of them to make sure that her neighborhood is clean, green, and beautiful. So welcome to our show, Anushri. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So you're free now, no classes now?
No, ma'am.
No classes. So are you preparing for exams?
Yes, ma'am.
You're preparing for exam. How's it going? How are online classes going?
Online classes are going well, ma'am, but at times it's a little stressful because every time it's like digital studies is not that easy going. So, but it's going on well.
What do you miss the most about school? Can you hear me? Hello?
Ma'am, the interactions between teachers, the fun that we had among friends,
Right.
ma'am.
Anushri, which school do you go to?
Ma'am, Nurture International School.
You go to Nurture International School. So let's start by talking about what you are doing in your neighborhood. Okay. So as I know, as I've told everybody, you plant saplings in your neighborhood and then you take care of them till they grow into trees. That's what you're doing, right? So how
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you start doing this? How old were you when you started?
Ma'am, I started it almost about 4 or 5 years ago, and this was just a small thought. When I was very young, I'd gone to my native. It was completely filled with greeniness, and it was very different from Bangalore. So I loved the environment there, but due to some reasons, I couldn't go there for something about 3 to 4 years. So when I went there after 4 years, it had changed completely. It was like everywhere buildings and the greenery had reduced. So I felt that time I felt environment being green is very important for all of us, and that is when I decided I have to make my environment and my neighborhood green.
Okay. So tell us, how do you go about doing this? Do you get any help from your parents, or how do you find spots to put these saplings? How do you do that?
Yes, ma'am. Parents are very supportive. Even they do water plants, they do irrigate it, they do help me in making them grow well. And on the sides of the road, there are places. So there we plant the sapling, and then yeah, there we start watering it, and it just grows.
So you do this every day? Every day you go and water your plants?
Yes, ma'am. When it's rainy season, not much of water is needed, but other times, yes, we water it.
Okay. And how many saplings have you planted so far?
Not on count, but more than around 30-35 I've planted.
Wow. And any of them have grown into trees? Have any of your plants become huge trees?
Yes, ma'am, they have become.
They have? Oh, so
Yes,
which is your favorite one? Do you know what plants you're planting? This is the
yes,
type of plant.
ma'am.
And
We
what's your
locally called it the Indian beech tree, or scientifically called Millettia pinnata. So that plant I prefer planting, and there are also many flowering plants that we plant around. So even the flowers, the fragrance is also very beautiful. So yeah, both kinds of plants we plant.
so when you started, you were what, 10 years old?
Yes, ma'am, 10 years old.
Wow, for a 10-year-old, that's an amazing thing to do, yeah. And does your school know that you're doing this? To your teachers and all that, no?
No, ma'am, I've not mentioned this anywhere.
You haven't
No,
mentioned
ma'am,
it
I have
anywhere?
not mentioned it anywhere. No.
Okay, so if your teachers see this, it'll be a big surprise for them. They'll probably be very proud of you, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So tell me, Anushri, something like a super hooper contest. Okay, why do you think something like this is important?
Ma'am, there are many kids who are doing something really great, something at times which motivate all of us a lot. And when children especially do it, and when we tell it or share it with others, there are more chances of many people getting motivated from it, and even they take an initiative to start something good. So contests like these give us a platform to show what we do and to give a message that is really good and that is really needed.
Okay. So now that we are talking about other kids who are doing it, do you know of any of your friends who are doing something like this?
Yes, ma'am. I have my classmate Ananya Anantaraman.
Uh-huh.
She makes funds and she makes funds for the army. Basically, she may also makes TED talks regarding it. So yeah, I know a few of them like that.
Yeah, I think even Ananya is one of our super hoopers. So your school has actually produced a lot of super hoopers. So do you learn these kind of things in school? Do your teachers tell you, "Okay, these are things you need to do," and does the school inspire you in any way?
Yes, ma'am. Nurture International School really nurtures us really well. Not only regarding academics, but also regarding all the moral values and all the life lessons, and also things like this which we have to do.
Okay. And tell me one thing. What is the one thing that you would like to learn? Maybe a hobby, maybe a skill. What is something that you really would love to learn? Something new. Is there anything
Uh,
like that?
not thought of anything like that, ma'am. Something new because just going on like that. So nothing of like that. Something new. Whatever comes, I learn it, but not thought of anything in particular.
Acha. What are your hobbies, Anushri? What are your other hobbies?
Ma'am, I dance and I also do paintings and artworks.
You also do painting and you dance as well. So what kind of dance do you do?
Ma'am, I am basically a classical dancer. I have written exams for classical dance, but I also do Western dance as well.
Okay. Now tell me, Anushri, would you continue this, whatever you're doing, your planting, your saplings and everything? How long do you think you can hold on? Will you keep doing this?
Yes, ma'am. Till my last breath, I have the wish to do this,
Really?
and I will do it.
Why are you so passionate about this? What makes you so keen on doing this?
Ma'am, the happiness that I get when I go to the plant that I have planted, and I also have this habit of talking to plants, and I believe that also plants respond to us. So my morning starts with go speak to them, give them a hug, and then my day starts. So that happiness is, I cannot tell it. So it is really good. So that is why I would love to continue it.
And have people in your neighborhood told you anything about it? Have they noticed that this girl is coming every day and she's doing this? Are they noticing that?
Yes, yes, ma'am. People have noticed it. They ask me, "What are you doing?" They listen to me and they go, "I have not got much attention from their side towards this," but they've noticed and they just keep quiet.
Acha, so you've not seen anybody say, okay, today I'll go water the plants. Have you tried? Have
No,
you? No, not yet. Okay.
no.
So do you think if somebody reads what you're doing, if somebody sees what you're doing, they may be inspired, hopefully?
I wish for it, ma'am, that people get inspired and even they start doing this. Uh, I have not gone to anybody and asked them to do it, but I think if I do start doing that also, then people may come into it. But I
People
wish
will.
that they get inspired from it and start doing it.
Okay. So tell me, Anushri, in your own words, what makes somebody a super hooper? Now you have a fair idea what this contest is about. So what makes somebody a super hooper?
Ma'am, any person who is doing something good, not for themselves, but for people around them, and something really unique, which is really helpful for many people, makes that person a super hooper.
All right.
One
Anushri,
who's doing it really selfless.
okay. Anushri, one question that I wanted to ask you is what message will you have for your friends and your peers who probably haven't yet started doing something like this but are thinking about it? Okay, what is your message for them?
I would tell, please go ahead, do this, and you will feel it once the plant grows even a little, you will feel the hand develop plants. Start from one plant, not a problem, but that one plant will make you plant many saplings.
Okay. Do you have to take any permission and all of that to plant these saplings, or you can just go and plant it wherever you want to?
No, ma'am. When we were staying in a rented house, we weren't allowed to plant many plants. But now, when we have built our own house here around, yes, we can plant it. There is no such permission thing that I asked for. But yeah, I've just started planting.
You just start planting. So this is just your lane, your house, the place that you stay in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The whole lane. I'm thinking.
Okay. So let's switch a little bit from your deed to something that is going on today. Okay. Now all your kids are sitting at home. You're doing online classes. You're doing classes all day. So even to get this interview, I had to jump in that gap between 11 to 1, isn't it? So online classes are very different. They're very different from regular classes. So what is the hardest thing about it? What is the most difficult thing about it?
Ma'am, hardest thing network issue, ma'am. But other than that, teaching and all is happening well. But the only thing that we're missing is the fun interaction that we had. That is the thing, the most saddening thing for us.
Most saddening thing is you can't meet your friends, isn't it? You miss your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me what,
Yes,
how,
and
how
this year is my 10th. So
hello?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I mean, this year is my 10th. So the last year was staying in home. Last year of the school was staying in home. So that is.
Are you guys going to have a valedictory function or something online?
Most probably, I'm not sure about it.
Oh, how sad. So I hope you guys get to do that. I hope you do get to do that. And tell me, how have your teachers helped you in this time? The teachers must have helped you a lot, right? To cope up with the online classes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, all of us are getting special attention, and we text them anytime that we have doubt. They've been extremely supportive. They, regardless of what their personal life is happening at this point of time, whatever time we call, whichever time we text, they reply back to us very soon. And corrections are also happening online, so it's difficult for them as well. They have to sit in front of the system and correct our papers as well. So even that, they're doing it really well, and they even give us personal remarks. So teachers have been extremely supportive at this point of time.
If you had to change one thing about online classes, what would you change?
I just wish that the fun that we had in school, every time we have those talks which make all of us laugh a lot, and many memories we make those small talks only, which I wish we could have it in online as well.
Did you get a chance to meet your friends online and talk to them and everything? Do you get a chance at all?
Yes, ma'am. We get at times when all of us are free, we do video conference calls and we speak to each other. But it is not that as comfortable or as memorable as that we have in school.
Okay. I think we're almost at the end of it. Okay. So I'm really happy, Anushri, that kids like you are doing something like this, because even for adults, it is an inspiration, because we're seeing if a kid can do it, so can we. And that is the whole idea of Super Hoopers, right? So people can see what you guys are doing, get inspired, probably do the same.
Yeah.
Tell me one question. Do you also help around home now that you have classes and you're at home and all of that? How do you help around in your house? Your parents also must be at home.
I help my mom in cooking, and most of the time Sundays is my kitchen is mine, so I cook.
You cook?
So I help my mom good.
Oh,
yes,
wow. You are all set, man. You're all set for taking care of yourself. That's very good. And now you have a board exam, isn't it? Your board exams are going to come. So are you afraid? Are you scared? Are you excited?
No, ma'am. It's the very first time that I am giving an exam that's of national level. So I'm excited for it, curious for it. Not tensed, but yeah, curious for it. To see how it happens.
Okay. And do you think, Anushri, that doing something like what you're doing, you know, like planting trees, or it could be taking care of some animal, or it could be being kind to elders. What other thing, in what way does it help you as a person? Besides giving you happiness, besides giving you that, how does it help you as a person?
Mom, as a person, I will get to know the importance of nature, and also the way that we have to take care of our surroundings well, and we have to be kind towards everything, every person that we meet in our life. So the kindness that we are supposed to have in us, I am learning that from this. So morally also it is helping me to grow.
Has it changed the way you interact with your friends? I mean, do your friends look up to you and say, wow, yeah, you're doing such a great job? Your friends must be knowing, no? You must be telling your friends, I do this, I do that. No? Yes?
No, ma'am. I have not told anything like that. But only once we had some normal casual discussion about it. At that time I had mentioned, and that time they told that it's good that you're doing this. And few of them also told that even you will start doing this.
Great. So once we have all this online on hoopsters.in, please share it with them, because what you're doing is really nice and they should know. Everybody should know what work you're doing. You know, the idea is that once they see that you're doing, like they said, we'll also start doing it.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, Anushri. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you for, I know you guys are busy with your classes and everything. Okay. So I'm looking forward to seeing more pictures of, send us some pictures of your trees and your flowers. Okay. Send us some pictures. Let us see what you're up to. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the Hoopsters team for providing all of us such a beautiful platform and opportunity to share our feelings and opinions. So thank you so much, ma'am, for you as well.
So what I want you to do is log on to hoopsters.in. Okay. Go there and then send us your pictures. There's a Super Hooper contest. Already your articles are up, but I'd like to see more pictures of your trees, of your flowers, of everything. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you for watching. This was Anushri, and clearly she is already ready for whatever challenges are going to come up in the future, and she's doing a great job. Hopefully her story inspires all of you. I'm pretty sure it will. We will be talking to many more such kids just like Anushri who are doing unbelievable things at their age. Keep watching, stay tuned, log on to hoopsters.in to read the stories of these children, watch their videos, and send us all your comments and feedback. Thank you, guys. Thanks, Anushri. Bye.
Thank you,
Have a good day.
Bye,
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.